Hey everyone, so I'm super excited because I just got something I've been waiting for a long time. The Insta360 1R. I know the name kind of sucks, but super excited for it. So here's a little unboxing video, just a real quick one.
The package is actually longer than I thought.
That's what she said.
So let's open it up.
Ooh, nice and clean. You got the 4K camera, the screen, which is on the back of this, and all the components inside of there. You got the 360 camera, and then you got the battery.
Inside here, let's see what's in here. It's probably all the cords and stuff, I'm sure.
USB, oh, USB-C. USB-C. Whatever you do not eat that. You might die.
And inside here, we got, the case.
You see right here, it's got the GoPro mount. That's pretty nice. You can see at the top, it has area for your buttons. I guess this is to open and close it. I do not know what that is for. Well, we'll find out eventually. But yeah.
We got this, which I
Do not know what the heck this is.
don't know what it does. Let's look and see, shall we?
Oh, it's the lens cap. Goes over the lens, obviously. Yeah, so you can protect the lens. That's actually really nice. And we got some clamps that are pretty much the same as the GoPro clamps, which is nice because a lot of people probably already have some. And the screw, which you probably already have if you have a GoPro. Sticker. Insta360 sticker, that's always fun. Yeah, put those on something. Instruction book. Little pamphlet on waterproofing. It's nice. What's included? So you make sure you got everything that's on this list, which you can see. We have everything. Warranty card. Another sticker. Yeah, this is the clear one. A cleaning cloth. Always useful. This is the 4K and the screen is on the other side. Buttons at the top, record and a power button. What's really interesting is there's a slot on the top and on the bottom because you can flip the camera either way. But I'm wondering if you could also make it modular to add stuff on top of it. Huh. You got the 360 camera, which is the main reason I bought this. So as you can see, it's got cameras on both sides, making it the 360 camera. You see the prongs. And of course, the battery. Okay, so that was the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to stay tuned for my other videos where I will be using this camera in Italy. So it should be pretty fun. Also, I love you. Well, that's it. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. And remember, spark a heart, change a life. See you next time. Bye. Let's start it up.
And I'll be bringing this to my next trip, which is Italy. Yeah, it's coming up real short, so stay tuned for that. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching, and remember everybody, and oh, he didn't. I was gonna see if he was gonna say it, because he said one time, he's like, oh, I really like saying it. Never mind. Spark a heart, change life. See you next time. Bye.